Hey guys, so in this video, we're going to be creating a React app by using create test React app. So create test React app is a npm module which can be used to create a React app with minimal configuration. So let's get started. So first thing I'm going to be doing is I will be installing a package here globally in our system. So we will be installing this create test React app in our system. So it will be installing create test React app. So we have this create test React app installed in our system. So to create a test React app, we just be writing create test React app, and we're going to be specifying the name of the app that we're going to make using this hyphen app and the name of this app. So it will create a few of the files that we need for the React app. So let's get inside this. And now we're going to be opening this folder. So I will be using Visual Studio Code for that. So this is the test app that we just made. Here we have this package.json file. Inside this, there are a list of dependencies and tab dependencies. There is also webpack config file here in which we have entry, output, module, and plugins and other things that we need. So it goes inside this index.js. So inside this source, we can see this index.js, which is the starting file of our application. So it has this main.scss and index.html that is being used. So we will be installing all of the modules and dependencies that was specified in this package.json. So we'll write npm I. So meanwhile, let's create something inside this webpack config. So instead of this dist, I will be writing prod. If prod is true, then the folder will be prod or else it will be dist. So now we are good to go. So it has installed all of the dependencies. Now let's run the app. So inside this package.json file, we can see few of the scripts here. So just start the webpack dev server, create development bundle, create prod, create bundle in prod environment. So let's just run npm run start and it will start webpack dev server. It has compiled all of our files. Now let's run and test it. So here we can see our app running on localhost 8080. So inside elements we can see this is the app and here it is the main that we specified, and inside this it is start your React project as we can see inside this main. Now let's run other scripts and test it. So if we run npm run create, we can see it will create a dist folder with the bundle and its source map. So this is the bundle file, this is the bundle.js, and here we can see the map index.html with this bundle.js source and link with this main.css. Next, and inside this main CSS, we can see the CSS file that we just specified. Let's run in production environment. So we're going to be writing npm run create prod. So it will create a prod bundle. And here we can see only three files. So index.html. Here we can see it is a name that is a hash value instead of what we saw here. Next is this index.html and bundle.js that we can see here. Now we know how to create a basic React app using create as React app module. So next time we're going to be using this create as React app to create exciting apps in React. Thank you guys.